Everyone, good morning. Today we will learn about Spring State Mission, how Spring State Mission works, and real-time use cases. In our previous classes, high level we learned about Spring State Mission. So, what do you mean by State Mission? It's a Spring State Mission is a framework that allows you to implement state mission patterns in our Spring applications. It helps model workflow or process that can exist finite states and a transition between these states in response to specific events. This approach is particularly useful managing complex business workflows, order fulfillment, payment processing, and more. What is the real-time use case? Here, if you see, one of the real-time use cases, imagine we have simple e-commerce order processing workflow. First, you made a order. That order starts as a new. Then when user makes a payment, it becomes paid. After order fulfillment, it transitions to fulfillment or fulfilled. So in this e-commerce application, what are there are different states are there, but right now here we mentioned at a high level these states: new, paid, fulfilled, events, payment received, order fulfilled. So there are different states. Like suppose you have ordered, so order got rejected, payment got cancelled. So there are, but these are the main flows. Like you have created the order and you paid the money, then your order got fulfilled. These are the different, it will not change the sequence. This is a state transition table. Current state is once you created the order, it is the new order, new state. Then one event, what event called payment then paid status. Event is payment received, order fulfilled. Next state, paid. It is like this: new, payment received, paid, paid order. How it will be the sequence: order fulfilled, the next state will be fulfilled. This is our architecture diagram in the text format. Order fulfilled, first payment received, order fulfilled, new. Then components. What are the components in Spring Boot? States and events defined as enums or strings. State mission engine handles state transition based on events configured in Spring. Actions, custom logic during transitions like payment validation. Persistence, state can be persisted to database for recovery or replay. How it works step by step. Define a states and events. How we will do? We will create one enum, new, paid, fulfilled events like payment received. Configuring state missions. How we will configure? Enable state mission. If you use this annotation, order state mission config, enum state mission configure adapter, state and event. So first initial state will be new, then next state will be paid, end state will be fulfilled. We can override this configure method. What first state new, then start is paid, event is payment received. External sources once paid, order is fulfilled, then event order fulfilled. This workflow always starts with the initial state new. Trigger or events. For example, payment is completed, then the event payment received is sent. The state machine transitions from new to paid. Further events like order fulfilled, move to fulfilled. State monitoring and actions. Actions such as updating database or sending notifications can be hooked into transitions. The current state is always known as can be queried or persisted. When to use Spring State Mission? Order processing for e-commerce workflows, payment gateways, multi-phase payment process, batch jobs, task progress through pending, in progress, completed states, multi-step forms or wizards, manage transition across steps. What are the benefits? Decoupling state logic, clean separation from business logic, consistency, states and transitions are explicit and predictable, event driven, easy integration with event based systems, persistence, you can save and store workflow state in DB. So this about the Spring State Mission. Finally, what is the summary? Spring State Mission provides a robust structure for modeling workflows with clear state transitions and associated actions, ideal for real world applications such as order processing. This about the Spring State Mission. In our next classes, we will learn few more things about other modules. Thank you. Have a nice day.